Hello class 7th. Today we are going to continue with the chapter charts in Excel, part 5, right? Please go through part 4, then this. Before I begin, do share, like and subscribe this video. Let's begin. Earlier we have done design tab, working with design tab. Now we will be doing working with layout tab. These are the things I am listing here which we will do in this. Adding chart title, adding a legend, data label, data label you know na? In earlier also I have told you how to add data label, adding data table, right? Adding grid lines also I have explained you what are grid lines, and formatting the charts. In chart formatting we will learn shape style, workout style and shape effect. Fine, let's begin. You can see here data is there. Again the same data I have taken, subject and marks, but I have had computer and German marks also. A student has got this marks. You go to insert tab and in column select this. Okay, these things we have done in design tab till now. I am selecting some different kind of design in this. Just a formatting I am doing it. You are getting what I am doing. You please do these things if you got the opportunity to work on the system, right? I am just doing the formatting, nothing more than that. And one more thing I would like to tell you, please don't forget to comment and do inform me about the previous assignment, how many of you have done, because in next video I will be giving you a new assignment related to this chapter. Fine, now you can see layout. In layout you can see there is no chart title, nothing. Okay, chart title, centered over title above chart title. The chart title will be entered above this chart title. Here I am adding the chart title. See here, students marks, whatever chart title I want, I am adding student marks and press enter. After that this chart title will appear. Can you see the chart title will appear? Next is legend. After access title, legends is there. See series. See the series has come upward. Purple color that shows the representation only. This purple color representing series 1. Okay, if there are 2 3 more type of data are there, then it will series 1, series 2, like that. Now add data label. This is the way of adding data label. Go to data label options and you can add data label. See once again, data label option is there. Or there is another way, right click in any of the and then select the data label option. Adding the label, this will easily recognize you. Data table. What is the use of data table? Show data table with legend key. I have selected this, or anything you can select. See, a table will come in below, a table will come in this format. If you look at the chart, you will able to recognize, able to analyze what the all data is about. Right now the grid lines, the small lines, you will see after selecting the grid lines. Now look, please pay attention students. Now you can see it's clear, nothing is there. After selecting grid line you will see the output. Primary horizontal lines will come, major minor both. See, horizontal lines have come and these are the major lines. Okay, now again select primary, major minor both I am selecting. See, major lines have also come and minor lines have also come in the grid line. Fine, is that clear? How? Only you have to click on layout option, this layout option, and then you have to select. We have done till this. Now we will understand shape style, workout style and shape effect, how to apply all these things. This is again a chart that we have made. Layout also we have done, design tab also. Now format tab. In format tab, can you see shape style is there? Look, the shape, this shape will change. I'll show how. See, we are selecting different styles. and different colors are there. Okay, so any color of your wish you can select from shape style. Where you get the shape style? In the format tab. The things to be noted. Now you can see word style is there. So if anything is written, you can change the style from word style. I am selecting this. Anything you can select. Suppose I select this. You have seen how it has been changed. Now shape effect. The last point, last effect, shape effect. How it will change. For that, select a particular column. Go to shape effect. Again the same. Whatever wish, your wish, you can select. B level I am selecting. This, have you see the changes output? Earlier it was of different, now it is of different. Or you can select 3D option also. Fine, it's up to you, whatever way. So we have learned not only how to make charts, but how to work with design tabs, switch column, select data, right, layout tabs, different things. In that, one more thing is there, axis title. We can add title to the axis. See, first I am adding horizontal title. Marks are there, subjects are there. So in the graph you plot na, so subject is there. I will write subject. Fine, you just have to select and type the subject in this column, function formula bar, right? And then I'm selecting a vertical tab, y-axis. For y-axis, there I will write marks. What y-axis is depicting? Marks. Although it is not listed there, but I am telling you key axis title also you can add. You can make the proper chart as you are making. Fine, now it's time for hot question. Write a shortcut key to create the chart quickly. What are the way you can create the chart quickly? Thank you, and do comment.